Watch this video to the end if you want to learn how to get your drywall repaired for free. My name is Jordan Bryant. I am the videographer for EzPro Texture, and Jim had a crazy idea.
So anybody out there who's got a patch that they need done, a drywall section that's 3x3 or less, that's damaged, that you need the drywall fixed and you need the texture redone, we want to come to you, whether it's your home or your business, and we'll repair it up to a 3 foot by 3 foot patch of drywall where you have some damage, and we'll show the whole process. We want you on film showing us how much you like what we've done for you after we're all finished.
So Jim, how do they qualify?
All I need you to do is drop down below and subscribe, and then also send me an email at the link below. Let us know that you're interested. Now, it needs to be in Southern California. It could be LA, Orange County, Riverside, San Diego, any of those areas, and we'll come right to you and film right at your location. So drop down below, hit that subscribe button, send us an email at the link, let us know about the information I asked for, and we'll be at your home or office doing that repair.
And that's it, guys. Follow Jim's instructions to qualify for a free drywall repair.